Hey, didn't think you was coming.
Told you I would, didn't I?
Nice one, little princess.
Yeah, a bit cranky today, to be honest.
Bye-bye.
Didn't sleep very well.
Look, I'm sorry for kicking off.
That's okay. I should have been on this weekend. Let's just enjoy today, eh?
Yeah, sounds good to me.
Psst. My dad's just phoned.
Yes, and?
He's got a problem.
What sort of problem?
There could be a delay.
Right, please tell me this is still happening.
Oh yeah, there will still be an appearance. Hopefully.
Well, there better had be. For his sake.
It's hard work enjoying yourself.
Should look at them two, scrapping, just like when they were kids. I think our Cain came out of the womb arguing. And then I had our Charles and found out that she was worse than he was.
Oh, about flipping time. Rodney! What the hell's going on?
Are you enjoying yourself?
Oh, yes. This is bliss, Moira. It's pure, unadulterated bliss.
I've cleared David shelves of crisps. Oh, did he have any paper plates? Yeah, lads. Brilliant. Hiya. Hi. Oh, I'm so pleased you could make it. Oh, well, thanks for inviting us. Why don't you pop inside? Say hi to April. Are you okay? Yeah, of course we are. It's all water under the bridge. Yeah, I know. It's just... Listen, Laurel, Kit is history. He came, he saw, you conquered. Anyway, more importantly, Arthur and April? Arthur and April what? Oh, she likes him. No! Yeah, I just hope he likes her too. I mean, Marlon says she's got the most enormous crush on him. It's all Arthur this, Arthur that.
Can I have those sweets I bought for April?
Yeah, sure. There we go.
Thanks.
Nobody could live in a one-up, one-down with the toilet halfway down again. Oh, that's gross.
No, it was how we lived. That was normal.
Was that in the olden days?
It was in the olden days, yes, because I am very, very ancient. In fact, I am so ancient, I'm surprised I haven't got a plaque round my neck.
You don't look ancient.
Oh, well, you see, that's because of the makeup.
What's it like to die?
Only a kid could ask that.
But you know, I've never done it before, so I'm not absolutely sure. I think it's just a bit like going to sleep.
Then you'll wake up in heaven.
Well, I've got everything crossed that I don't end up down in the other place, but if I do, I shall make the very best of it.
Is there angels flying about?
Yes, and blokes with great big long beards and popcorn stalls and chips and... Oh, there'll be loads and loads of chips. And I tell you what, there won't be, not one whiff of your mum's fish pie. Oh, no, it'll be lovely. It'll be just like this, really. Lots of food, all the people we love around us. Don't get much better than this.
Oh, what's happened?
Oh, don't worry, it's always doing that. You just got to have the knack.
The knack? What are you on about? The thing's a flaming death trap. You need to get it sorted.
What?
Here we are. Cockles, whelks, And winkles for our special star.
Look at that. Well, I can't wait to get stuck into it. And I tell you something, if this is the last meal I ever eat, I shall be a very happy woman. Come on, I know you want to.
Okay. Yeah, I'm fine.